Delaware Disability Hub ReadSpeaker Instructions. Hello, on the home page of Delaware Disability Hub. If you scroll down just below the large photo on the left, you will find ReadSpeaker. ReadSpeaker webReader allows text content on the website to be read aloud. By speech-enabling text, you can better understand information and listen to it anywhere and at any time. This makes the content more accessible. As a user, you don't have to download anything. To listen to content on the website, just click Listen or the arrow. When you do, the ReadSpeaker will automatically start reading the text that is on the page. To stop the text, you click on the red square. From this location, you can pause and restart, stop the reading, you can skip, rewind and forward, you can raise the volume, adjust the reading speed where it goes real slow or real fast, or close the player. To find out the additional functions of ReadSpeak, click on the 3 stacked lines. Some people call this a cheeseburger. This opens up new options for you. The first option you'll notice is Settings, indicated by the 2 gears. If you click on the gears, a new pop-up window opens, showing you the settings that you have control of in ReadSpeaker. As you can see, I have text highlighting turned on, so that when you are being read to, the text is highlighted. Also, you can control the color of the words or the colors of the sentence that are highlighted, and the text color from ReadSpeak. You can control automatic scrolling and the pop-up menus, and you can also make it close or not close the pop-ups automatically. If you have any questions, click on the question marks in the circles located on the right side of the pop-up box, and it will explain the functions that you're looking at. Next, Read on Hover. When you click the button to activate or turn on this feature, a green dot on the button will indicate that it is activated. When activated, webReader will start reading a paragraph when the cursor points to it. This allows you to listen to a paragraph that you want to read without having to select it first and click on a Listen button. You simply hover over it. So, I'm going to turn this on, and you will notice a green dot indicating it is on, and I will go to the first paragraph.
Transitioning for teens and young adults with special educational or healthcare needs requires planning in several areas to make life easier. The Delaware Disability Hub, DELDU, website was created to assist students in the transition years, their parents or caregivers and professionals by providing resources, connections, guidance, and information from around the country.
Go to the red square to turn that feature off. Now let's go back. When you have hover activated, you can enlarge the text by clicking on the small a and the large A. I'll give you a demonstration.
Governor's Advisory Council for Exceptional Citizens. Transition into adulthood. Transitioning for teens and young adults with special educational or healthcare needs requires planning in several areas to make life easier.
If you see a green dot, that means this is activated. So you'll want to click on the options that you want to turn off. The next option is the text mode. When you click on text mode, a pop-up box occurs. Separate from the main website. To have that read to you, click on the forward arrow in the upper left corner.
Governor's Advisory Council for Exceptional Citizens. Transition into adulthood.
To stop it, click on the square. If you need to enlarge text of the pop-up, click the A with a plus after it, or to reduce text, you can click on the A with the minus. If you need to speed up your reading or slow it down, use this option. If you need to change the font size, font style, or text colors, you can do that here. Also, you can adjust the volume. To close out, go to the X, right-hand corner of the box. The next option in the reader is called Page Mask, indicated by what looks like an equal sign. This masks the page to assist you as you are reading. You can open up the space or make it smaller so that you just get one line, and turn it off by hitting the large X on the far right-hand side. The next feature of the webReader downloads the text on the page into an MP3 file. The first time that you do this and use that option, you'll have to agree and download the file. The audio file that you're going to download can only be used for personal use. This means that you're not allowed to distribute the file to anyone else, and you have to agree to that here, and then you can download the file. The last feature of the webReader by ReadSpeaker is a guide. If you need help while you are using webReader by ReadSpeaker, click on that question mark. You will get this guide on how to use webReader by ReadSpeaker. Thank you for listening.